So what we can also do is we can add in and assign cost resources onto our projects that we have in Microsoft Project. So to do that, I'm going to go around over here onto the view tab right here, and let me just go to the resource sheet. And in the resource sheet, you can see that we have work type resources right here, which is charged hourly and in overtime. And then we have material resources right here, and they usually have a fixed cost. But there might be different resources that might happen on the fly, and the cost might not be predefined. And in that case, we can list around cost resources. So for that, let's say, for example, I need something like travel right here. So travel costs are usually done on the fly, and depending on different travel modes, the costs might be different, and the rates might be different by the time. So for that, instead of the work or material resources, you can just define it as cost. And over here, you can go around and define out initials as well. And you can see you can set the occur rate. Let's say, for example, the travel payment happens in the start. So let me just go around and set it to start right here. So you can go around and later change out the cost that actually take place later while you're assigning out these resources to different tasks. So apart from travel, there may be, let's say, for example, food over here as well, and this is going to be cost resources as well. And depending on where you eat, then that may be different. So this is usually done at, let's say, start or end, but let me just go around and say start itself. Maybe there might be a requirement of first aid right here, just like this. And this is going to be cost as well. And this is going to be at the start as well, usually. So I'm just going to go around over here, press Fi, just like this. And these are the initials. And we have defined out the cost resources, and the rate is not defined over here, as you can see. So let me just go around onto the Gantt chart section right here. And then let me just go around over here and then see the details. So I'm just going to go around over here onto the resource and click on details. And over here, depending on the task that you choose, you can see that these are the resources that you have. So there are editing resources, as you can see right here, and so forth. So that is what you have. So I'm just going to go around over here onto tasks right here, and then go to details. And here you can go around and choose the resource right here. If you were to go around onto the details, now you can go around and let's say that there's going to be travel right here. So you can set up the unit right here, and then you can just go around and let's say, for example, this is what you have, and you can go around and define out the cost over here later on. So let's say, for example, this is going to be 58 or something right here. Let me just press Ctrl Z right here, and then select out, let's say, for example, first aid. And let's say this costs around 400. So you can go around over here and then change this out. So you can go around, increase out the unit, and then type in the data right here. So I'm just going to go around right here. So this is the cost resources. So let me just go around onto travel, and that is what you have right here. You can go around, double click to, let's say, change out the values right here. And there you go. You can go around, define everything on the fly, and this becomes dynamic, as you can see right here. You can go around onto, let's say, for example, first aid right here. And let's say the first aid, I'm just going to double click on this. And this is going to be, let's say, for example, 400. And that is what you have. Let me just double click so that the $ shows up. And there you go. You can go around and set out the cost like that. And you can see the total cost at the end. And that is how you can go around and then add in and assign in cost resources for costs that might happen on the fly while you're doing a project. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.